Firstly, open the package. You'll see the accessories: the user manual, lock body, screws, IC card, and mechanical key. Then the lock, front panel and back panel, and extra tools. Then we install the lock body. The anti-lock is on top side. Next, we start the installation. 1. Open the battery cover. 2. Choose the right connection column. We use the shorter one on this shelf. Then install them on the front panel. 3. Choose square steel according to the door thickness. We choose the shortest one on this shelf. Then, we install the front panel with square steel and wire crossing the right hole. 4. We need to cut the anti-lock piece to make it fit. It needs to be no longer than the thickness of shelf. 5. Connect the wire with back panel. Make the square steel and anti-lock piece fit across the lock hole. 6. Hold them tight and install screws. We use the shortest one on the top and the second shortest one on the bottom. 7. Install batteries and check if it works on the front panel. Then, we restore the battery cover and test if the fingerprint, password, and card works. Now we are done.
Remove the battery cover and non-press the setting button for 3 seconds. Then the lock will go back to the initial status. Non-press Start key, then voice promote please add administrator. Add a same fingerprint 3 times and then a fingerprint administrator added successfully. Non-press Start key, then voice promote please add administrator. Add the same password ended with hash key and then a password administrator added successfully. Here, I add another password to make 3 administrators added fully. Non-press Start key, then voice promote please verify administrator. Verify administrator, then the voice will promote please add user. Add the same fingerprint 3 times and then a fingerprint user added successfully. Add the same password ended with hash key and then a password user added successfully. Click Add Device on page of My Home, then come to What device where the lock can be added as a home device. Press 3 plus hash key to awake the lock and verify the administrator. When the number 8 starts to flicker, then make a connection through home Wi-Fi. Once the device added successfully, you can find it on page of My Home. Click the fourth button to come to temporary password page. Press plus button, enter 6 numbers, name of users, validity period, then a temporary password created successfully. Enter 00 plus 6 numbers temporary password ended with hash key, can unlock the device. Never slide the cell phone screen and click it. An 8-number dynamic password will be created. Enter this 8-number dynamic password ended with hash key can unlock the device. Press 4+ hash key on the lock pad. Then the app will ask a confirmation to remote unlock. Click confirm will approve it.